What's up, Wonders of London fans? I am currently in Golders Hill Park and I found these guys grazing so close to the fence, so we get to check out a better view of them. There's the other one over there. How lovely is that? And that one just sneezed, huh? But here, just gonna pan back to this lovely deer grazing off the grass. This is of course in North London. Your closest station is Golders Green Station, and you can see these deer for free if you come here. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and of course if you want more videos, do hit the like and subscribe button and you can discover so many more fascinating things. Oh, it's going to the toilet. I bet you weren't you weren't expecting to see that. I certainly wasn't expecting to see that. But there you have it. If you want to see more interesting things about London, hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, you get to see deer going to the toilet. Fantastic. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.